We have a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a stunning 1970 Barracuda 426 Hemi Cuda shaker, Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes, drilled and slotted, cold AC, racket pinion, custom suspension all the way around, 4-corner adjustable, just a heck of a car. Tilt wheel, digital gauges, custom interior, custom wheels, just a heck of a car. Super nice paint, super nice underneath. You know, it's a rotisserie restoration. I believe there's 1,300, almost 1,400 miles on the restoration. So nice car. Ice cold air for a 112 heat index day. 1970 Hemi Cuda. This was not born from the factory of Hemi Cuda. It's priced accordingly, but a high dollar restoration. Custom sound system, just absolutely gorgeous underneath. Great car. Custom dash, leather dash, stitched, red stitching, just super nice. Then you'll find all these pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. That's www.westportautocenter.com. If you'd like to fly in, forward us your itinerary. We'd be more than happy to pick you up from the airport, take you to one of our 3 warehouses. We'll put it up on a lift. Make sure it's a good fit, take it out for a drive. So just very nice interior. Pistol grip style shifter. Again, we're located in Fenton, Missouri, suburbs of St. Louis. Pick up the phone, call 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. We have fantastic financing on these cars available. Great rates, great terms. Built specialty wheel, tilt. So all the custom interior. Very tastefully done. Just a nice car. A lot of money put in this car. Let's hear what this bad boy sounds like. Wilwood disc brakes, great running. Got the Billet serpentine system, big aluminum radiator, overflow, Billet air conditioner, dual fan. Just a great running and driving vehicle. We're gonna take it for a ride now. Take it for a ride. Fun car to drive. about 20 minutes, 25 minutes from the International Airport. Pick up the phone, call 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. Gotta love it. 70 Cuda, shaker, drilled and slotted 4-wheel disc brakes, custom sound system, custom gauges, red backlit, clock, tack, cold AC, everything on the car works. Turnkey, pistol shifter, tilt wheel, custom suspension. What's there not to like? Pick up the phone, 314-346-6039, Westport Auto Center.